Let us do question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl sports a balloon moving with wind. A balloon is there and that is moving with wind. Okay, at a height of 88.2 from the ground. The balloon is at a height of 88.2 from the ground level. Next is the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of girl at any instant is 60 degree. When the girl, which is 1.2 meter tall, is standing here, and when she looks at the balloon, the angle of elevation is formed, and that angle of elevation with her eyes is 60 degree. The angle of elevation that is formed with the eyes of the girl is 60 degree when she spots a balloon there in the sky. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. What happens when the balloon moves further? Suppose the balloon has moved to this position as it is flying in the sky. So that angle of elevation after some time reduces to 30 degree. Suppose it has reached here at this position, his distance has remained same. As they have given us that the balloon is traveling at this height, and here that the balloon is traveling in a horizontal line. Balloon is not changing its position, it is traveling in a horizontal line. So when it has reached at this position, again the angle of elevation which was formed, that is 30 degrees. See here, this angle when formed with her eyes, that is 30 degrees. Let us write 30 here. This angle is 30, and when looked at the original position, it was 60. Now two triangles are formed here. One is this, let us name this triangle AOB, and second is BOC. So two triangles are formed here, and these both triangles are right angle triangle. See, AOB and DOC. So two triangles are formed here. Next is that girl is 1.2 meter tall, and she is standing there on the ground, and balloon is also observed from the ground. Its height is 88.2, but when angle of elevation is formed, it is formed with her eyes. So we have to reduce this distance. This girl, which is 1.2 meter tall, we have to subtract her height from this height, as in this triangle only this much gap is included, because we are taking the gap from her eyes. So here also, when triangle will be formed, we will be reducing this height of balloon from the ground. As elevation when formed, triangle is starting from this O point, from her eyes. So if this is 1.2, this is also 1.2, and this gap is also 1.2. But I need to know the gap from A to B, not from here. So I will be calculating AB, and what will be AB? If full length is 88.2, and when I subtract 1.2 from here, this remaining length is 87. Okay, so 88.2 is gone now, and 87 is remaining. Similarly, for second triangle, when I look here, this 1.2 is not included in this triangle, as the angle of elevation is formed with her eyes. So we have to take the gap from here. We will ask triangle is starting with this base. So this DC gap will be again 87. 88.2 will not be there for this triangle. We are subtracting 1.2. Let us take both the triangles now. First triangle is AOB. In triangle AOB, tan of which angle is used here for AOB triangle? This 60 degree angle. Tan of 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, and perpendicular here is, let us see, 87. And what is base? Let us name this base as X. Perpendicular here is 87, base is X, and value of tan 60 is root 3. So I have got that root 3x is 87 and x is 87 over root 3. From the first part I have got this. Now in the second triangle, name of second triangle is DOC. Tan of, in second triangle we have made this angle as 30 degree. Perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular for this triangle? It is again 87. And what is base? Now base is this full length from O to C. Here we have marked this distance OB as X. Now further BC I am marking as Y. So full gap will become X plus Y. Base is X plus Y for bigger triangle and its value is 1 by root 3. Let us cross multiply. X plus Y is 87 root 3. Now I know the value of X from here. Let us replace here. X is 87 root 3 plus Y 87. Now to calculate Y, I will shift this 87 over root 3 on this side. Let us take LCM. It will become Y is root 3 87 into 3 minus 87. Y is 87, take common, and what is remaining? 3 minus 1 over root 3. Y is 87 into 2 over root 3, and you can't leave root in denominator, so I am going to rationalize it. Root 3 root 3. Y is 87 into 2 into root 3 over 3. Let us cancel it out. 3 2s 9s. So it is 29 into 2 root 3. Y is 58 root 3. Let us see here. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during that interval. How much distance this balloon has traveled from this point to this point? See, what is this gap? This AD gap is same as BC gap. You can see here, as these two lines are vertical and parallel, so this AD gap is same as BC gap. And what is BC gap? It is Y. So you have calculated Y. You can write balloon traveled, how much gap? Y meters, or you can write 58 root 3 meters. You need Y, and Y you have got 58 root 3 meters. So what we have done in this question, a girl was standing here, and when she looked from this point at a balloon which was 88.2 meter high from the ground, when she observed the angle of elevation formed was 60 degree. At this point angle was 60, okay, and when the balloon moved further, the angle reduced to 30 degree. See, when it has moved here, the angle has reduced to 30 degree. So two triangles are formed. First is this and second is the bigger one. Now what is the problem? That girl was standing here and the angle of elevation was given from her eyes. So our triangle is constructed on this line with her eyes, not with the ground level. So we have subtracted this height from the height of balloon also. We are subtracting the height of girl because our triangle is starting with her eyes. So I am subtracting this 1.2 height from here also. For this triangle, when I have subtracted 1.2 from 88.2, I have got 87. Because this is the baseline for my first triangle. Similarly, for the second triangle, my base is 1.2. I am going to subtract this height of this girl from the original height of the balloon from the ground. And when I have subtracted, again I have got 87. Because my second triangle also starts with the eyes of that girl. So my baseline is there with the eyes of that girl. So two triangles were formed, and I have use tan 60 and tan 30 in both the triangles. Then I have replaced value of x from first triangle here in the second triangle. See, x plus y was there and I replaced value of x here. it was 87 root 3. Then I tried to find y. I shifted this 87 on this side. I have taken the LCM, and after that I got this answer. But root 3 was there in the denominator, so I rationalized it, and after rationalizing I got y as this, and y was the same as the balloon has traveled. The distance was same, so I have got y, and y is same as 80, so I have got that how much distance this balloon has traveled in during that instant.